So the next one is two asteroids 2.5 kilometer apart exert two asteroids 2.5 kilometer apart exert a gravitational force on each other of 25 Newton. Calculate the magnitude of force if they will exert on each other when they are 0.5 kilometer apart. So this is very similar to the previous one that we did. Two asteroids. Question. Two asteroids 2.5 kilometer apart. So this is our R1, 0.5 kilometer apart. Exert gravitational force on each other. Exert 2.5 Newton. 2.5 or 25? Yeah, 25. 25 Newton force on each other. Find the magnitude of force. Find the magnitude of force when they are, okay, this is not working. When they are how far apart? 0.5 kilometer apart. Now the force will be increased. Why? Because distance has been decreased from 2.5 kilometer to 0.5. Here we find a formula that is F1 divided by F2 is equal to R2 divided by R1 squared. So F1 is 25 divided by F2 we need to find is equal to R2, that is 0.5 kilometer divided by R1 is, you don't need to change the kilometer sign because it's just the ratio, so kilo will cancel out all the same. So what we get 25 divided by F2 is equal to what? 0.5 divided by 2.5, and if you divide it, what we get? 1 over 5. Sorry, this was wrong. Because 0.5, 2s are 1, 3s are 1.5, 4s are 20, and 5s are, okay, 1 over 5 is square. And if you square it now, so F2, what I do is, I'm inverting it, is equal to 1 over 5 is, 5 square is 25, and F2 is equal to 25 times 25. So what we get? 625 Newton. Okay? You get this?